It might help me because it's much easier to operate it. You don't need to use pipettes to prepare drops. It's already pre-prepared.
Time is of essence, so I'm happy to use a product that is ready to use, just get the job done.
The first valve for inserting the leaflet is very useful. So it's comfortable to use, less chances to lose the embryo and less time to search it to locate it.
It's very easy to manipulate it.
Yes. So I think that it can help for the organization in the lab.
Can keep this embryo, this media, overnight to warm it up at room temperature, and they keep the whole solutions also at the same temperature, 37 degrees before use. So, and I think this is more practical and easy to use.
Definitely the viscosity, more in control of the embryo, definitely. There's no timer going off, is good. Yeah, so you're more relaxed and more in control. Yeah.
You don't have to worry about the temperature and the viscosity and the timing. It's very nice, and the storing conditions is very flexible for us.
I like the way the pack is individualized, so it's easy to carry around. So I think that's really great, and I had an awesome time using it.
Very forgiving because I made a lot of mistakes during the workshop, and still it came out afterwards really nice.
The safety aspect that they are working on to make it more and more safe for the oocytes, very, very good. For the busy clinics, the time that this new kit is going to save is going to be very, very valuable.
In one word, I think it was perfect.
This is stressful for the embryologists and the embryos as well.
It's a step forward.
Amazing.
Practical, comfortable,
Quick.
Better outcome.
Easy.
Brilliant.
Fantastic.
It's easy like water.
Like all in one.